everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this unit from Lux Hair. They have reached out to me to review this gorgeous burgundy hair. So if you're interested in this fall friendly gorgeous burgundy hair, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I'm quite excited to review this unit from Lux Hair, and they've reached out to me to review this unit for you all. I do love this color. This is the color I love during this time of year. It goes so well with orange and all the rusty looking colors for the fall, much like this right here. It's such a beautiful color, and I loved how this turned out. So before I get into my thoughts, let me give you the specs of this unit. So the name of this unit is called CLEO, and she is a 4x4 hand-tied lace parting. So what that means is that it is a 4x4 parting space. You do have, this is the far right that I have it on. So you do have like from here to here with parting space, so you can definitely put it to the side or to the middle. So you can definitely play around with that parting space. The lace is ear to ear, and the lace is a little bit more tanned, which is nice. It's not completely ashy, so it could work for some of us who are a little bit on the more melanated side. This is a Swiss lace, and it is a heat resistant synthetic fibers up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can definitely put heat to this unit. I applied heat to the parting space so that the parting space looks nice and neat and put together. And the length of this unit is 21 inches. So I do like that length. The length right here, as you can tell, it comes up a little bit longer than on me, but it is in 21 inches in length. The cap circumference, as they stated here, is a 21 5/8 of an inch. So the circumference of it is pretty much a standard size cap. It fits me perfectly. I do have it adjusted onto the last hook, so it does fit me quite nicely, and it's very comfortable and it's not tight on my head. And as far as the style of it, it is layered, which as you can tell here, so you don't have to worry about the hair not being layered once you part it in any which way. So I decided to go with a right part today so you could give a different little style. And of course they said it's easy to wash, but you need to use mild soap and cold water so that it would not mess up. I am loving this synthetic unit. It really is soft, it's gorgeous, the color is banging. I love this color, like, oh my gosh. I don't think I have a full burgundy hair, and they did this very well. So they do come in a variety of different colors. They have their typical 1B, 1, and color 2, so you can definitely check those out. They also come in a 613 and a bunch of other colors, which I would leave in the description box down below. You can definitely click through. All of the colors are there for you to look at and see what it actually looks like on the mannequin head. Some of them do have a model modeling the color, but most of them don't have any, like, it's like a real life photo, so that helps a lot. But the one thing I do want to mention to you all is that it takes up to 2 weeks for your hair to arrive. So please be mindful of that and order very early. So if you're looking at this particular unit, order it right now. You're seeing this video, please order it right now so you can have it just in time before Thanksgiving or any other festivities that you partake in during the holiday season. Definitely order it now before it's too late. You know, during this time everybody's ordering something, little gifts and whatnot, so definitely get it in time. It does take 2 weeks, so you have to make sure and prepare for that. But they do come in a variety of different colors, which I love. I think around probably 13 different colors if I'm not mistaken, so you can definitely check that out. This hair is very gorgeous. I love it so much. And the parting space, oh my goodness. Let me come up closer so you all can see it. As you can tell here, I do have a lighter cap on, but I did put my powder to the parting space, and it looks very, very nice. It looks really good. I do like how that came out. And you could also add baby hairs. It doesn't come with baby hairs. I don't do baby hairs, so you know, I'm glad about that. But if you do baby hairs, you can definitely, you know, add some to it, and you could do that to the front of the hair if you want. But I would give this unit a 10 out of 10. I love this unit. It looks great. It is so perfect. It is very nice. As you can tell, look, lots of layers, lots of nice big curls. I do love it. It's very nice. I like the color. The color is on point. It is like the same color as my shirt. But anyway, you all, if you're interested in this unit, please be sure to check my description box for the colors, the exact link to the unit, as well as their website. They do have a variety of different styles to choose from. Thank you so much, Lux Hair, for reaching out to me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And don't forget to follow them on their Instagram page. I would leave that link down there as well. And don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.